We told the lady at the restaurant that Levi was our man, baby. Spin Rick and Balls.
They taught me how to pitch and catch.
We raised him right.
All right, so we went down into Knoxville, Tennessee, the home of the Manhattan Project. Got to see some couple cool sawmills. The first mill didn't want any recording done in it, and I could respect that. It was both very good mills, and it would have been cool to record some of the first one because it was cool. But the second one, it turned out to be awesome as well. We learned so much from these, and this here, we got stuck. I don't know how long we stood here. We just got stuck and mesmerized watching this outfeed table on the resaw. This is, I don't know why it works so awesome. I don't know if it's, the roll case, you can see the outfeed roll case is narrower than ours. So first of all, it's not transitioning the boards and cants that far before it's clear. Or the fact that the wood don't come out of the saw and build up a lot of steam to where they have to stop and transfer them, or what it is. Look at that transition over the edger. That's cool. But this is good. Now what we noticed in this mill is the operators and the precision grind people actually work. This is their headquarters, their mill that they work at. They was good fellers. It was nice to meet you guys, and more power to them. Anybody that needs their wheels ground and stuff like that, or sawmill advice, they're just they're experienced. Most of the men that runs this mill, a lot of the reason it works so smooth is the men that run this mill are older and experienced, and most of the things you see go on here is smooth production. And we was really impressed by it. But anybody needs any advice or anything on stuff like that, precision grind guys and stuff, I never asked if they're on the, if they have a web page or nothing. He's got his son helping too, so I'm sure they're getting on the internet too. But this is the mill that they work at through the week, but I was just impressed by, well, all of us. We was all impressed by the how smooth this mill ran. And you can tell it's hands-on, common sense way of looking at things. The way these guys work together. But and they got a big edger over there, and they can shove. They can do some bull edging, and I don't think they was using it like that when we was here. But and then they got the sliding saws, the normal edge, sliding mandrels. And I did want to say the other mill had that style edger too, and both edgers was impressive, I thought. The bands are running down here a little smaller than our bands, but they're easy to manipulate, and they're easier bands to work with. I don't know how the metal holds. I'm not a filer. I don't know how the metal holds up, or if that, if the thinner plates or the smaller plate sections and stuff, how it affects durability. But as far as handling them and molding them and stuff, I think it'd be easier to work with. And I guess that's it. I'll shut up the rest of this and just kind of let y'all see and take in what you can take in. And I just wanted to say thanks, guys, for letting us all tour the mills and stuff. And anytime somebody don't want any recording done or something like that, just say so. It's no problem. I think that guy at the first mill actually felt a little awkward asking us not to. And I was like, well, don't worry about that. Daggone. We come with material all the time. We're just happy to share what we can share. But thanks, everybody, and I hope you enjoy it.
like Willie, Willie's gonna bend the whole damn tooth.
300-pound gorilla.
I do it on intention just to piss them off.
Yeah.
That's Armstrong. Armstrong, see Armstrong to match. I smell Bill.
Dang it! I can't feel nothing here in my breath. Now I got it.
laid all in puss was done what? Laid all in puss and logs up. Oh, hell, I think that. Yeah. Real nice. Gotta love it. Well, what I tell him every time he says something, I love my job. Them damn loggers, they fucking bust them loggers.
Look at that old boy getting after.
That's cool.
Put him in there sideways. Damn, Rudd's all the way down here. They got a Rudd equipment all the way down here. Big Deal 18 be proud to run them Valvos. Here's the old rigs.
The old Valvos.
We're supposed to park here or down? Well, there's people down there.
That dozer there now.
Yeah. That's back when dozers was dozers. Hey, Big Daddy started with the 450B. That's about what Big Daddy started with. Did they beat us here? They did beat us here. God, look at the lot. Again. Wore my good shoes. Like an idiot. Like an idiot. This trip, we are going to Vidya. Ha! We've been shut down. We're going to Vidya our way down the road. Look at there's people's made mistakes during sap up season. You see that poplar tree?
Bang.
Look at this son of a bucking. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Wait down, Tatum. Look out. I don't know if it's illegal to drive a car and record. Here, Rick and Ball. You do the honors. Let me wheel this puppy. She's looking good, ain't she, bud? All the way down it. All the way down it. This is what it looks like when you pave a skid road.
It's a nice skid road.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. It's a pretty good drag to the top. Look at that. Is that the end of it? Yep. Yep, that's all of it. Was it all you was expecting?
Yeah.
All these dudes argued with us since we got there.
Thanks, guys, for watching. One thing I wanted to say is everybody out there, do be safe. Please, we all got to go home at the end of the night. There's other people relying on us, and let's not forget that. Thanks, everybody. Have a good one.
Hey guys and gals, don't forget to go to logyourway.com for all your Log Your Way gear. Thanks. How much you paying me to say that?
Man, how much you gonna do?